Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. Have you ever encountered a situation where you accidentally deleted an important Word document and then anxiously wanted to retrieve it? I will show you some methods on how to recover Word document files that were not properly saved or deleted. Let's begin. Method 1. Recover deleted files from Recycle Bin. Let's start with the easiest way. If you can confirm you haven't permanently deleted your document, you can find it in your Recycle Bin and restore it from there. Look for your Word file, right-click on it, and click on Restore. Method 2. Use temporary files. To do this, simply launch the Word document file, hit on the file. Go to Info followed by Manage Versions. Click on Recover Unsaved Documents. Choose the file and click Open. There you go. Method 3. Use File History. Go to the folder in which you have stored the deleted files on it. Right-click and select Restore Previous Versions. Select the version you wish to recover from the list. Click the Restore button to recover your files. If nothing appears in the list, then you should not have turned on the File History switch in advance. If all the methods cannot help you out, I highly recommend you trying 4DDig data recovery software. Method 4. Use 4DDig data recovery. 4DDig data recovery software supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, emptied recycle bin, SD cards, USB XDL hard drive, etc. It also supports data recovery from over 1,000 plus different type files, including photos, videos, documents, etc. First, launch 4DDig. You will see the home page. Now select the location that you want to scan. Select the types you want to scan. 4DDig starts to scan and find all possible data from the drive. Once you find the Word document file, select it, click Recover, and save it to a different location. Now your Word document file is back to your computer again. Alright, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.